วัสดีค่ะ Welcome to the White Lotus in Thailand ค่ะ
I'm on an exchange program. I'm starting to feel like something good's gonna come out of this.
Stress management meditation. Yeah, you need this.
Gluten-free rice and coconut balls? What are we at a fucking fat farm?
Everyone runs from pain towards pleasure. But they get there only to find more pain.
We should do something fun today.
She literally lives off male attention. It's pathetic.
If everybody gives in to base instincts, it'd be total depravity, like a race to the bottom.
Someone stole my lorazepam. I'm gonna have to drink myself to sleep.
Got a really bad feeling.
Something is off. What the fuck is this place?
I almost died today. But we got the room comped, didn't we, babes? That was cool.
Yeah, you did a great job, babe.